Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate you. You have successfully completed this Python course. So far, we have completed so many topics inside Python, and apart from that, I think there is nothing you have to learn inside Python. So please try to master these other topic, whatever topic I just taught you. Because always remember, practice makes perfect. Unless and until you are not doing practicing, you are not implementing something from your end, this would be very much difficult for you. So in this video, I will give you some future advice like what you can do after completing the Python. See, the first advice I can give you, practice. So there are different websites actually you can do the practice. So I already showed you one website called HackerRank. So please try to create one account in HackerRank, and there you will see different problem statement with respect to the topic you have learned. So try to solve different problem statement there, and solution is also available, but don't try to see the solution. First of all, try to attempt, then try to complete it. Then there is another amazing website you can follow called LeetCode. So LeetCode will help you if you want to be a SD, that means software developer engineer. So that time LeetCode will help you a lot, because in LeetCode actually will get advanced kinds of question, and you will also have something called data structure and algorithm related question. Okay, but first of all, I will suggest you start with HackerRank. Then if you feel like, okay, now I'm good with the problem solving, then you can start with the LeetCode, because LeetCode is a little bit advanced than your HackerRank. Okay, this is the idea. Apart from that, just try to implement different projects. Just try to get different project idea. Try to solve your day-to-day life problem use cases. Okay, that's how also you can practice the Python programming language. And after doing this, if you feel like now I'm in a position I can solve any kinds of problem statement, now we can start with any kinds of domain. Either you can start with data science. So in data science, you can learn machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, okay, natural language processing, everything you can learn, okay, with the help of Python, because inside this particular domain, Python is being used. So if you see anywhere people are using Python inside data science domain, okay, inside artificial intelligence domain. So if you are interested in data science, if you want to be a data scientist, so please explore this data science as well. Okay, and no need to worry, in this channel I will also start data science related actually playlist. So you can also follow this particular channel if you want to be a data scientist. Then the second thing, you can start with web development. If you're interested learning web development, so you can also start with web development with the help of Python. So inside Python, we are having some framework like Flask is there, Django is there, Fast API is there, Falcon is there. With the help of that, you can perform the web development. Okay, you can do the web development. So you can also explore web development. Then I told you, if you want to be a software developer, you can also use Python programming language. Because whenever you will be going for any kinds of, let's say, product-based company, there they will tell you which programming language actually you are good with. That time you can tell them I am good with Python. So they will give you the Python language to choose, and that time you can choose the Python and you can solve different problem statement. And again, if you want to be a software developer engineer, so you have to learn another concept called DSA, okay, data structure and algorithm. So here actually you have to learn some more advanced technique inside the programming, like how to handle the time complexity, how to handle the, let's say, space complexity, how to use efficient algorithm, okay, for a particular, let's say, product. That's how actually you have to learn. These are the thing. And no need to worry, even in this YouTube channel also I'll start this DSA concept as well with the help of Python, so that you can also learn here. So yes, this is the actually future advice I can give you guys. And again, I'm telling you, just try to practice, because just you have completed the playlist and now you need lots of practice. Okay, unless and until you are not practicing, things would be more difficult. Always try to remember one thing, consistency is the key here. If you are consistent enough, so you can achieve your success. With that, guys, thank you so much for completing this particular video, and I will see you next time.